during massages. Don't go like this. You go in circular motions. Hi everyone, should I say happy holidays, and you're welcome back to Maybe Most channel. It's been a while. I did a sit down / chat videos because most of my videos have been voiceovers, but today I wanted to come in here to say hi first of all. Thank my new subscribers. Thank you very much for joining the channel, and also to show you how I use my fenugreek oil in my, should I say, mini braids hair care routine. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Consider subscribing. Thank you. It helps me, or it will help me a lot. Like, comment, share. So I'm just going to read out some of the benefits of scalp massages. So if you see me looking down, it's because I'm reading from my laptop. So it's scalp massages condition your scalp, helping to prevent flakes and dry itchy scalp. It helps enhance blood circulation in the head and neck area, which helps to relieve stress and also promote circulation and hair growth. Promotes circulation and in turn hair growth. It helps to strengthen the roots of your hair and nourishes hair shafts. Today I'm going to use my fenugreek oil. I literally just uploaded a video last week on how I achieved this fenugreek hair growth oil. I used the fenugreek powder, and during filtering, I guess everything, some of the powder did not filter properly, so now it has settled down, and that's why you have some of the fenugreek oil powder at the bottom. I'm also going to be using a quick hairspray. This is lavender tea. I just literally lavender, hot water, leave it for 30 minutes. I have my scalp massager that I bought from Winners. This is optional because you can also use the tip of your fingers. One thing I would say is to avoid using your nails during massages. Don't go like this. Literally, that's just, literally, what's the word? Hurting your scalp. Let me just take this off. So literally, coming closer to show you, you go in circular motions. So this is what you should be doing. There's something they call it. Is it this? This is what you should use. And ignore my nails. I've been experimenting with stick-ons, and these two for some reason keep falling off. With the brush, put it on, and same thing, gentle circular motions, literally. So that's what we're going to do. Go in gently. I'm just coming closer so that you can see. And you know when it's time to stop, because you start feeling that it's not supposed to be painful. By the way, I should mention this, it's not meant to be painful, but there will be like a tingling sensation when you rub continuously in a particular area. So I'm just going to do this all over my head. Also serve as my weekly routine, because I wash on weekends, but this is just what I do in during the week. So 2 or 3 times in a week, depending on how my hair is feeling. So after this, I just apply my oil once again to the length of my hair. Not too much, we don't want it to be greasy. To the length of my hair and also the ends. I tend to focus on my ends because they are very, very fragile. And the whole essence of doing a protective style in the first place is to have your hair grow, right? And imagine doing a protective style that is taking care of your hair, like the full length of your hair plus new growths, but ignoring your ends. What would that lead to? Breakage, and in turn, it's like a cycle. You won't see the results of this protective style. So your hair is growing, but your ends are breaking. So it's not length retention, that's the word I'm going for. You're not retaining length. So in adding your oils or in taking care of your hair, your ends should always be the top priority. So this is what my ends are looking like. And finally, I'll just use a little bit of my coil enhancing smoothie. This is actually what I use to seal in the moisture. It's a styling product, it's a coiling product, but it also acts as the cream in my hair care routine. So to moisturize my hair, I do the Aloe method. That's leave-in oils and cream. So this is what I use to, seal in the moisture and all the goodness. Thank you very much for watching. If you've gotten this far, I will see you in my next video. That's it. Bye.